a while back, company had sent me a bunch of sandpaper, and this is my review. So, from 40, 60, 80, 120, and 240. Once again, 40, 60, 80, 120. Hold please. $40, $60, $80, $120, $180, and $240. This is for really rough wood and progressively getting lighter and nicer. I did have some video of me sanding, but who really wants to see that? In any case, the sandpaper worked great. I will go ahead and show you the finished product. So here's the final product. I took this out of the dump, made a sign out of it, and it's nice and smooth. So, using said product, progressively getting smoother, and I've actually used that on a couple other projects, and they turned out great.